1 hour ago. So normally in the morning what I like to do is to get up, wash my face, and oil my hair with some oils from our brand. And then what I like to do is to make myself some overnight breakfast oats. I normally have that like maybe 2 to 3 days out of the week, and I normally prepare it from overnight. And when I wash my face, this is how my face is looking with this soap. I tell you guys, I have to put it onto it. So it is Zahir Organics African black soap facial cleanser. If you want these, guys, I have these soaps. It's one product from my line, from my brand. So it's one product from my brand. If you're interested, you can go on our website at www.zahirorganics.com and you can purchase yourself African black soap facial cleanser. I use this every day, every night before going to bed, and this is how my face is looking. I love this. Dark spots gone, oily skin gone. If you have on makeup and you want to take it off easily, this will help. Gone. Dirt, hyperpigmentation, reduces the appearance of dark spots. This is the plug, guys. You can visit our website. I'll put the link in the description box. And for my hair, I use this hair growth oil every day. So it is a Hair Organics growth oil treatment. It includes castor, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and peppermint, guys. You can visit the website to purchase these. If you have receding hairline, if you have thin hair, if you have bald spot, this can help, guys. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check it out. Alright, so I'm going to have some breakfast now. I'll take you throughout the day to see what I eat in a day. So first we're going to prepare breakfast, and then I will have lunch, and later on dinner. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the video so far. Comment below and let us know if you like more videos like this or what other videos you'd like to see, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So for my overnight breakfast oats, I like to use this small container to store my oats overnight. So I just add about 1 cup of oats. After adding the oats, I like to add some chia seed. I add about 2 teaspoons of chia seed. After adding the chia seed, for the spices, I add nutmeg. I also add some cinnamon powder, and I also add salt to taste. After adding those, I like to add milk. But if you have almond milk or whatever milk you have readily available to you, you can also use that as a substitute. I like overnight breakfast oats because it helps a lot with bowel movements. So I have overnight breakfast oats run about 2 to 3 days per week. And I also had vanilla as a little flavoring, and I also sweeten with honey. Some cow's milk. If you have almond milk, you could go ahead and use your almond milk. And then I just right up for the toppings that I normally use. So it's just the right amount of chia seed, I think. And to sweeten the overnight breakfast oats, I normally use some honey, organic honey. But if you have milk, condensed milk, you could use your condensed milk, or you could also use sugar. But I'm trying to keep it healthy, guys, so I use the honey instead. Mix it to get everything fully combined. So it's well flavored with all of those spices. It's sweetened with the honey, and a lot of good stuff right here. This is my oats. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and I'll pop it out tomorrow, add my toppings, and then I'm all good for breakfast. So this is what I have tomorrow for breakfast, and this is what I normally have like every 2 to 3 days out of the week for breakfast. Alright, so with the overnight breakfast, you can make it however you like it. Some people prefer to make it very thick. I don't like my overnight breakfast very thick. I like it to be a little light or watery, not so watery, but I don't like it extra thick. Me no like the thick porridge story there. I don't like that, guys. So this is how I like my overnight breakfast oats. If you like yours on the thicker side, you can use less milk. So I'm adding here some granola. So it includes raisins, honey, and almonds. The almonds that are in this granola is just a little bit. So me love nuts. So me just add some extra nuts. Put in a one Ziploc bag and just crush it. So I'll add that to the oats as well, and I also have the strawberries to add. I never had any bananas, but if you have bananas or berries, you can also go ahead and add some bananas or berries, or whatever fruits you have, you can also go ahead and use it. If you have dry fruits, you could always go ahead and use your dry fruits as well. And this is my healthy breakfast, overnight soaked oats, and I'm also boiling some hard boiled eggs, so I'll also have some eggs with this overnight oats. So this is breakfast, my overnight soaked oats with granulas, chia seed, strawberries, raisins, almonds, and a lot of good stuff, guys. This is very filling, it is healthy, and it is super easy to make. And bad to bad, as a Jamaican, you know you have to have a local bush tea. So I have some Cersei tea right here. Yes, some Cersei tea, my overnight oats, and yeah, so some Cersei bush that tonight. So lunch for me is just whatever. I just pick around something that I have at home. So I did feel for one carrot cake, one carrot cheesecake. So I decided to whip up one carrot cake. So this is what I had for lunch. I just had like one slice of the carrot cake with some water, and I just kick back for the day and just pick around some sweets, whatever I have there, some snack or something. So that's just for lunch. Lunch is not heavy, it's just something light or whatever you have around the house, you just pick around. So when I'm home, I like to bake or whatever I feel for. I just like to make that for lunch, so it's not nothing extra, right? So I was just making some carrot cake, add some almonds, and I also had some coconut flakes. I'm going to upload this video on how to make the carrot cake. Okay, so this is dinner time. So I started dinner at 3 o'clock. So today I am making some ackee and saltfish with some boiled dumpling, some green bananas, and also some white yam. I think it's Sylvan's yam. So I have some ackee in the refrigerator, so I'm going to be using those. And yeah, so that's basically it. So that's that for dinner. And that was what I eat in a day, and my dinner is served. I normally have one dumpling with some boiled food. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment below and let me know if you like this video, and subscribe if you are new.